Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use TalkBack on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to on TalkBack setting, friends you want to use TalkBack and how to on and use TalkBack on Samsung mobile. In this video friends we will talk about TalkBack full setting. So without waste time guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends scroll it. Friends click on Samsung phone. Accessibility setting, friends click here, and friends you can see second option is talkback. Friends will click on talkback, and friends we will on talkback from here. Allow here, friends talkback will on your Samsung mobile, and friends you want to back, so friends you can back with one tap and double tap to back. And friends you want to again back, one tap and double tap here. Friends click on the last option, one tap and double tap. And guys, two finger you can close up, one finger guys you cannot close your recent app. So friends, you can swipe with two finger. You can use talkback setting friends with two finger after on. One finger friends, if you use friends, you cannot scroll your screen. So then scroll it. So guys, a person who is blind guys, they use talkback because guys they cannot see. So guys they use screen with two finger, and guys they click on any icon. So friends, they listen sound icon sound like YouTube, Instagram, smartwatch, Yuka app. So like that friends they use talkback setting with two finger. Friends one finger you cannot scroll your screen. So with two finger friends we can use. So friends click on phone setting, one tap, double tap. Friends again scroll with two fingers. Friends click first any setting and then scroll it. Friends click on accessibility friends, one tap here, and friends you will have to double tap here because guys one tap guys you cannot on friends any setting. Friends you can see one tap we cannot on this setting. So friends double tap here, and friends click on this icon, double tap here, turn off. Friends you want to turn off talkback, you can off from talkback here off. Friends your talkback will off, and friends now you can use friends your Samsung phone without any talkback. Friends you can see we can use our phone, we can on friends any setting without double tap. So like that friends we can on and use talkback on Samsung phone device. And friends you can on your talkback with shortcut setting. Direct friends search your talkback setting. Friends you can see talkback. Direct friends you can on and off your talkback from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching.